Good day folks, you're seeing a Hyundai ix35 2014 model key for battery replacement today. First step is you gotta flip this cover off. It's a little bit too tight. Just give it a gentle pull, and this is a CR2032 3-volt battery. Give it a little push, jump up, and you get a CR2032 lithium cell 3-volt another replacement battery. This is a real easy fix. Get the battery out, and pop it back in. It's the same battery. Yep, CR2032 again. So we're putting a new battery in, and the back cover goes back on. Easy done. That's all about it.